Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Meal's Music. I'm Anthony Meal. It's time to learn how to play the game Old Mr. Rabbit. But before we do, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you're notified anytime I upload a video for you. To preface the game, I usually tell my students a big, long, made-up story about this rabbit that was eating all of our vegetables in our garden over the summer. And it jumped over the fence and it was eating all our cabbage and our carrots and our sugar snap peas. And I was so frustrated that I needed to take out my anger, and I wrote a song about that rabbit. So then I'd sing them the song, "Old Mr. Rabbit, you've got a mighty habit of jumping in my garden and eating all my cabbage." And the kids will go, "Well, that was kind of a short song." And I go, "Yeah, I need your help to make it a little longer." So we would do a little echoing. And then we talk about the end of the song, the da-da-da. And this is a great song to teach lo-la because you're going do-la-do. So your students can echo after you, do-la-do. Then you can replace it with food. So you could go, "My carrots," or "my cabbage," or you could do even a food that's not in a garden, "my pizza." After your students echo you, see if there are any student volunteers that would like to demonstrate a food. And they would sing a solo for the class, and the class would echo back to them. So if Darren sang, "My cheese sticks," everyone in the class would go, instead of "my cheese sticks," they would practice singing "his cheese sticks," or however the student likes to be identified, you would sing it like that. So, "his cheese sticks," "their cheese sticks," "her cheese sticks." Once your students have a grasp on that, then have them sit in a big circle, and then the game begins. So to start the game, everyone is going to sing the whole entire song. At the end of it, when it's the "my cabbage," that would be the teacher's job. So they'd go, "My cabbage," and everyone else around the circle would go, for Mr. Meal, they'd go, "his cabbage," and the song would continue. But it would go to the next neighbor. So this is a cumulative song. So the song would start over, "Old Mr. Rabbit, you got a mighty habit of jumping in my garden and eating all my cabbage." And then they'd go to the next neighbor. The next neighbor would go, "My string beans," or whatever they sing. Everyone in the class would go, "Their string beans." And then the song would start again. And they're going to have to remember what's happening in each step of the song. So then it would be, "and eating all your cabbage, your string beans," and then the next student would have a solo and they'd go, "My pizza," and everyone would sing, "their pizza," and the song would continue to go and go and go until every single student around the circle has shared a food that Old Mr. Rabbit had eaten from their garden. This is a great assessment tool. You get a little snippet of each student singing, and it's a pretty low pressure situation for your students. Stick around for the game extras video of Old Mr. Rabbit because I have a couple things I do to change it up once your students are feeling comfy with the main game. If this video was helpful for you, I'd appreciate a like, and that'd be helpful for me. And as always, share, 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 and I'll catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, you've got a mighty habit